Uh, is this on? Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. In today's video, we are going to talk about how to pronounce the ED endings. Let's go! Alright, here are some examples of the id sound. Need, needed, want, wanted, head, headed, start, started, part, parted, grant, granted, land, landed. Next we have the D sound, the hard D sound. Enjoy, enjoyed, offer, offered, call, called, use, used, clean, cleaned, damage, damaged, amaze, amazed. Alright, here is the T sound, the T sound ending. Wash, washed, watch, watched, help, helped, laugh, laughed, dance, danced, fix, fixed, mix, mixed. We can use some of these words that we have talked about in some sentences. Here are some examples. I watched a funny movie last night. The word watched has a T sound. She used the red can of paint. The word used has a D sound. The plane landed safely. The word landed has the id sound. Okay, thanks for watching. If you liked this video, be sure to smash that like button, subscribe to my channel, and hit that bell notification icon to be notified of my next new video. Have an awesome day and get out there. Be heard. If any of you are interested in how I can connect my Nikon D750 to my computer and record videos, please check out SparkoCam. The link is in the description below. Like, subscribe, share, comment,